guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now basically guys, in today's video, actually, we're going to be working out some of these Auto Finesse products. That looks satisfying. In today's video, we are going to be tackling the engine bay. We're going to be cleaning or detailing the engine bay. Without further ado, let's go make this car sensationally sexy. Let's go see what we're working with. Now I've done all of the montage shots, which means I can honestly just show you the pure disgustingness of this engine bay. Like, genuinely, look at this. That's rank. Like, I mean, look at the dust on that. Jesus. This bit's not too bad, and obviously the polish is everywhere, so we need to get that off. Honestly, no joke, once we clean this engine bay, we're gonna be able to eat off this. We're gonna be able to have a nice Sunday roast dinner on my engine bay. So yeah, let me quickly show you guys all the products I'm going to use. Roll it. I'm not actually going to be using all of these. I'm only going to be using these three. Oh no, these two, I mean. However, I have actually bought this, which I don't know if you guys want to see a video on that, but comment that down below if you want to see a video on this aqua coat. For today's video, we are going to be using this, which is an engine degreaser, and this, which is an all-purpose dresser. We've also got 2 brushes and 2 cloths and masking tape. The first step would be like rinsing the engine bay off with a hose or something. However, we're never gonna do that. Obviously, on my car, it's an older car, it's a 2013 car. You can see some of the electricals. I don't know if water gets on that. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, so I'm not gonna even try. We're gonna be just using this product along with all the brushes that I'm gonna take down. We're gonna agitate all the dirt. Oh, I feel like a proper detailer now. And then we're gonna wipe off the dirt with the cloths. And that's as simple as that. And then after, we're gonna go into with the DRESSLE, which is a dresser, which is gonna make the engine bay look new as fuck. Okay, all right then. So we've got the engine right here. At least I think it's the engine, I don't know. But we've got the engine right here, and then we've got all of the cleaning supplies we're gonna use right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take down just this one, and we're gonna do before and after, and then obviously we're gonna clean all around here. So yeah, let's mask it up.
Boring.
But yeah, honestly, I'm quite excited. First thing we got to do is obviously let's get all the leaves out of here. Okay, all right. So the next step is engine degreasing. We're gonna use the brush, obviously, to make this a work of art, basically. All Auto Finesse products smell so good, so I'm quite excited to see what this smells like. You know, let's start on this little bit right here. There we go. Nice. Let's go. Oh my god, that smells so good. That literally smells like sweets. So because we're doing this like a pussy way, basically, as soon as we've kind of like worked on it, all we have to do is wipe it off. Look how clean it looks now. In this clip, you can see me spend a lot of time on the hinges for the hood, and that is because they were dirty motherfuckers. You know that one kid in class who has a dirty mind? Well, this is him in a f***ing car. Now, using the cloth to dry off the liquid and pick up all the dirt was actually harder than probably to rinse it off with just water, because you couldn't really reach into all the small cracks and things. However, it worked for most bits. I've actually just cleaned off all of this little compartment right here. It's all looking like new. It hasn't even got the dresser on yet. Next thing we're going to move on to is this terrible thing. We have actually cleaned that one. Still needs a bit of a wipe down. This is how it was before. And this is like kind of after-ish. here is the like kind of finished product now. I really can't get much more dirt off than that. Honestly, this is the most satisfying thing to actually do. Like, it's like painting. It's quite relaxing actually. Alright then guys, so it is now the next bloody day and we've got the engine out again. Now I had stopped filming yesterday because obviously it was getting a bit too dark, but we have now done the whole of it and honestly it's just looking fresh. Look at the caps. Oh, look at this, it's looking brand new. I kind of went down there a little bit. I didn't get all the really back bits, but yeah. So basically here is the before and after. Of just using the engine degreaser. Now we're going to start on this boy. So obviously what we're going to do is we're going to spray it on, let it dry, or wipe it in with the cloth and then let it dry, and hopefully it's going to look sexy. Okay, so all it says really is put it on, wipe it in, and then let it dry basically. So that is what we're going to do. Don't know what this one smells like. They all smell different, which is really nice. Alright, let's just start on it. Oh my god, this just looks like the sea. It looks so smooth. Alright, so here is the finished kind of product of the car, honestly. Don't know if you guys can see how like dark and like new it looks. Like look at this air filter. Look at that. That is just, that's a work of art, that is. The thing, just look at the finish on that. Damn. That's just completely stuck there, so I think that might be a bogey, to be honest. Look. The thing that I'm most pleased with, other than all of this, is this bit. Look how just new that looks. It looks so dark. So obviously before on the hinges, they were disgusting, and now look at them. They look so much better. And on the right side. And honestly, I polished my car one of these days, and honestly, all of it was covered like this. The whole engine was covered in like polish. So there's not much difference, but let's take off the tape anyway. And there you go, there you have it. Boom. That's the difference. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this now, and then the whole engine bay is gonna be done. Honestly, let's get some sexy montage shots. Right, so unfortunately that is it for the engine bay like detail kind of thing. My hands are absolutely freezing, so I'm gonna try and film quickly. Here is the engine bay, and honestly what a difference from when it first started. Like, look at this. It probably has never looked this clean in its life, but look at this. Look at that, that is stunning. That is it for the engine bay detail. Honestly, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Here's the products we use. We use DRESSLE. It's actually leaked, and we also used this one. So yeah guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Really happy with the result. Anyway guys, I'm gonna get inside. But yeah, there is the car, and honestly, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. If you've got to the end of this video, then comment forward and subscribe to the first person who does that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. Bye.